Hi everyone and welcome again, in one of our lessons about another punctuation mark. So we continue our series of these marks and also the rules that govern their use. Today we'll try to see another important mark, which is represented by the form of a bent line, bent straight line. Okay, this mark is the slash. It is the slash, and this is its form or shape. Also, it's called the slant and also the stroke. It has many other names, or terms for it. Now, what concerns us is the correct use of this mark. The first use of this mark, that we encounter concerns fractions. Fractions, if you want to represent them, horizontally, right? Keeping the numbers together, we must separate parts of fractions by means of the slash. So we write, first use, number one, it is used to separate parts of fractions. Example, 2/3, like this, or 2/3, sorry, 2/3, 1/2, 3/4, and so on, or 2/3, 1/2, and 3/4. Good. Also, another use in which the slash comes in the middle to separate and set off two items. Slash also is used to separate alternatives or items in choice. It means here it indicates or. It indicates or. Alright, so we write also to separate alternatives in choice. It means here it equals or. It equals conjunction or. Example, we write he or she. Also we write the noun Mr. or Mrs. And of course we use these forms in our academic writing because we need to avoid the sexist language, discrimination between sexes in academic writing, which is supposed to be objective, and doesn't prioritize any sex over the other, he or she, Mr. or Mrs. and so on. Clear? So we use the slash. Also another use which is related to mainly scientific writing, when we use a slash to replace the word per, per in units, per minute, per hour, per kilometer, it depends here. Alright, so right here, it is used to replace the word per, in units of measurements of time and so on. For example, right here, this car runs, for example, 150 kilometers per hour. So we can replace per here, with a slash, and we write it runs 150 kilometers slash hour. Hour. Or also, for example, per minute. Example, per minutes. It equals 50 okay, kilometers, example, slash, and we write this abbreviation. Alright, here the slash replaces the word per. Clear? Good. Also, we have another important use of this mark when expressing time. Okay, expressing time. Okay, here the slash comes to represent, okay, a particular period of time. 3 or number 4, sorry. When expressing time, to express time, for example, we write, okay, the season of 2006, 2007 was successful, right? Or 1995 and 1996 was successful. Here we put a slash, okay, between okay, these 2 years to show that, okay, this slash represents, okay, period of time from this year to that year, this year to the other year. All right, good. Also, we have another use, okay, of our specific use. All right, specific use of the slash with specific abbreviations. Abbreviations. Here we don't need to mention everything. We'll only mention one example. One example, number 5. Sometimes it is used in some abbreviations. In some abbreviations, for example, we have, okay, in care of C/R, which means in care of, here it is written in addresses, okay, of letters, addresses, to indicate particular meaning, okay, particular meaning. C/R means /R, in care of, okay, it's a form used in addresses. Also, for poetic lines, as you know, we must put every poetic line, okay, separately on a line, then we write the other one on the next line. But in case you want to write them together, solid, okay, on the same line, right, line after line, we must separate them by the slash, And number 6, or the 6th use, we have to separate poetic lines, right? When written solid, it means on the same line. For example, you write here a line, all right, now you put full stop, and you go to the next line to start a new poetic line. But in case you want to continue writing the other lines, put a slash and carry on your writing with the second line, then a slash, third line, and so on. Clear? And so on and so forth. As you see, okay. Also, we have another use that we use mainly in our business, okay, treatment, okay, which concerns also dates. Sometimes you write, for example, today is what? Is 7 January 2018, for example. And 18, here, we can use it as a case, why not? 7, right, in dates. Sometimes. Alright. The parts of the date are divided by the slashes, Here are the different uses of the slash. As you see there, they are limited. So you have to be careful about when, okay, and where to use this mark. When there is a rule, a clear rule to use it, otherwise There is no need to, okay, insert a slash whenever you think, okay, it is possible or required. And in academic writing, okay, we had better always, okay, avoid the use of slashes, okay, the use of slashes, because in academic writing we should always use our full words, okay, written, we write our words in full words with all letters, clear? Thanks so much, and see you in another mark, okay, and another lesson. So here is the lesson on the board.